Hey everybody, it's Jennifer from Gentle Soaps, and today we are going to make liquid soap in dilution. So we're doing a 3-to-1 dilution, and yesterday I prepared everything, so let's have a look down here at what we've got. So here's the 3-to-1 dilution. Now we're going to color it with my leftover liquid colorants, and we're going to make another Valentine soap. It's actually going to be a shampoo. I'm going to make red velvet, and I'm going to start with the special red that I created in the making your own liquid colorants episode. So you'll have to go back if you want to watch that one, or wait for it if it hasn't come out yet. All right, so let's get started. All right, so this is a 3-to-1 dilution. It's already diluted the soap in water. I've got a very sterilized syringe. Take out 60 mils, actually 50 mils, because that's the size of my container. And I'm going to make a concentrated foam shampoo. So I'm not going to thicken this one. You're going to have to wait till the next episode for that. The next one will always be the next one. I know. Actually, no, we'll do one thickener with a 3-to-1 as well. Thickened product. Now we're going to add a wee bit of colorant. Where's my droppers? Hold on, there we go. We're just going to put a few drops in there just to give it a red velvety kind of prettiness. We'll go with 2 of those. Right for what I wanted. And I'm going to add my scent, the fragrance I've chosen, which is Nature's Garden Chocolate Lovers type. I don't really like very many of the chocolate scents out there. I'm finding they're a little too flat. This one I like. And we're also going to add a little bit of the Vanillary FragranceBuddy.com, just to give it those nice high notes. Hold on. A little bit of Vanillary in there. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Get every little bit of it. All right, and now all I have to do, move these out of the way, clean up some of my mess. Just put it into my bottle. Now I know this is strong enough to make a nice foam shampoo, and then you don't lose as much of the product as you would if you had it in like a pour out bottle. This way you get all of your product being used, and it's nice to put right on your hair. All right, so this is a nice shampoo for your hair, okay? All right, so now we're going to thicken something up, so hold on. Now we're going to make a red velvet hand shampoo. Now, if this is for an adult, this is going to be quite strong. If it's for a child, you can actually take all of this 250 mils and set it aside, pour about that much in, and fill the rest up with water. It's that concentrated. It's perfect for children if you do that. There's a lot of waste, in my opinion, that goes on with liquid soap, and I really don't like that. So I try to deliver the products in a way that most of it doesn't go down the drain. So we're going to make the next non-thickened product that you can make. These are 3 now that you can make that are non-thickened that deliver nicely. There's the shampoo, the foam shampoo. There is the Goldilocks thickened. Hold on, let me go grab that. There's the soap paste, which is awesome. I'll put this in a smaller container, it's kind of big. And now we're going to make a hand soap or a foam soap. So you can use this for body or for hand. It's just awesome. And again, we're going to make it again in the Valentine scent that I chose. So hold on. So I'm going to put 3 mils. 1.5 in each one of those of Nature's Garden chocolate lovers type, and it's probably the nicest chocolate that I've found so far, but it still needs a little more vanilla. So we're going to add, hold on, I just need to wash this, some of the vanillary, 1.5. And then we are going to add our soap. So we're going to need about that much. That's it. Now we're going to add colorant. Now I may have to add more colorant. And I'm going to fill it to about there. Hold on, we need to add our preservative as well. Hold on. All right, so for this one, we're going to have 250 mils, 180 mils actually. So approximately 200. So we're going to need 2 mils. Hold on, I need another. All right. Look at this thick goopy stuff and not pull it out till it's not where it needs to be, which is at 2 mils, just right there. And as you can see, I suspect the parabens and a glycerin base, just like my colorants. It's a great way to hold products, and it just adds more emollients, which is awesome. Alright, so I'm going to pour to approximately right there. So we'll just mils, I'm going to put 30 mils in. Alright, hold on, I'll go get the distilled water. Alright, and here we have the purified water. I'm just going to add it up the side to approximately there, because you have to leave room for your lid. And there we have foaming body wash. Alright, so we've got shampoo and body wash, and the only difference is the amount of water used. This is more concentrated and you need that for your hair, but this you don't. And like I said before, if you have children and you have extra containers, you saved them from Bath and Body Works or whatever foam soap you use, you can reuse them and add about as much as I did of the concentrate to your bottle, and it'll be easier for your children to rinse off of their hands. So this is still fairly concentrated, but easy peasy to use and nice product. So I showed you the shampoo. Now let me show you how thick and creamy the hand wash is too. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh my gosh, amazing, amazing. Wonderful soap. And all handmade and no detergents. super, super fun. I hope you have a chance to look at the cold process liquid soap making. It's so much easier than the hot process method, and there's no dangerous adding your potassium flakes to glycerin, which really made me nervous, and there's no hot mixing involved in the process so far. So in the next episode, we are actually going to start using the additives and making this kind of soap, all jelly and funky. All right, so until next time, happy soaping and have fun. Click subscribe if you want to see the next episode. Awesome. Bye.